How much do we think the epic ones will be? Like what kind of floor?
This is my dock right here. Epics, I wouldn't sell less than like 40. That's what I'm doing. 40, 30, and 20 for like rares. But you know, based on traits, that price can go up. This is how I would price it. Like I would price the commons for 8 to 10. 8 for a really shitty one with like 1 attribute, and 10 it should be the base. That's my speculation. And then of course legendaries 100 and up. Unless it's like 1 attribute, I'm still gonna sell this guy for 100.
Dude, 100 would be ridiculous.
Yeah, because the apes, even the common ones went all the way to 40 soul, and I was trading those like quick.
Dude, an 8 soul for 900 soul today. I caught a screenshot of it. That's $65,000.
There was one that sold the other day for 1,500. No, 1,500 soul.
Hey guys, so we're live on YouTube right now. Doggo, let's talk all the theories, right?
Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
All right, so Sollamas NFT.
Yo, guys.
Hold on.
Guys.
Oh, what's up? You
I
interrupted?
bought a Tuco for 20 soul.
Why would you?
Okay.
When it's, I mean, it's 20 soul right now. Why would you pay 40?
Well, you bought 40?
I bought 20.
That's
I bought it
FOMO.
for
That's
20.
FOMO. I feel like Tuco's gonna hit a floor of 8 in the
Dude,
pivot.
no, it isn't. There's only 400
Dude, it's not selling for 8, dude.
Yeah, it's in that floor, bro.
There's less legendaries and artifacts than there are Tucos.
So let's think about it logistically, right? If everybody wants.
Wait, we don't know
Tuco,
how many legendaries there are. Nobody knows that.
I think the Tucos are going to be really rare, though, because, like, Gen 1 llamas are all killed. And if you get Gen 1 zombie llamas with Tucos, that's going to be extremely rare.
But hold on, guys. Hold on. We're on YouTube. So let's talk theory now. Let's talk theory on this. So my theory is this, right? Per the tweet, it says llamas don't say dead, right? And there's 400 Tucos. So my theory is hold on, I gotta mute somebody.
Yeah. Hey, who is that? Hey, Chairman Nodias. Shut the fuck up.
I muted it.
Yeah, I wanna.
But yeah. So my theory is this, right? So we got 400 Tucos and it was randomly distributed, and we have zombie llamas. So if zombie llamas, we know zombies how they are, right? Zombies come back to life, they come to haunt you, attack you. And Tuco has a shotgun, right? We can clearly see it with the barrel of gun and the shotgun bullet. So I think that zombies are going to come back to attack regular llamas, and whoever has a Tuco will be able to withstand, but the Tuco will die and you'll end up getting the zombie.
Oh,
Because
that's
you
a
slay.
really good theory.
Oh, dude, I like that theory.
So this is my theory. If you have a Tuco, you get an automatic Gen 1 llama zombie. If you don't, then you don't. Because Tuco is the only one that can fight it and kill it.
So that means Tuco floor is 100.
Here's my
So
question.
that means whatever you worth a zombie llama is how much your Tuco should be worth, because it's a 1-for-1 trade-off. Because that's the only
Right.
way they can keep 10,000 in circulation without flooding the market. Like you would only have 400 come back. And even out of
Right,
those,
so-
let's say it's a chance that you get it, right? That's even more limiting. Because a Tuco might be able to die if he can't withstand the attack, right? So if a Tuco can't fight off the zombie llama, then he's dead and you don't get it. But if the Tuco wins and you still lose Tuco because he's too tired to fight on, but you get to keep the zombie llama.
That I feel like it should be a guarantee at that point because
The
of
fuck are you guys talking about?
I don't think it would be a guarantee based off of the minting. Think about it.
Wait,
Hold on. So hold off the questions. We need to get out all the theories, guys.
Shit I've ever heard in my fucking life.
All right, we're talking
Besides
about
the rambling.
theories on what the Tuco means and how we could possibly get our dead llamas back. So
Dude, I'm gonna tweet this out. Yeah.
yeah, tweet it out. Yeah, tweet out my YouTube. Go to Brave Bunny.
No, do you get to pick which llama fights back, or is it rare? Like, because if you could get legendary zombies back, that would be extremely good.
It would have to be a zombie, dude. Nothing else would be able to survive
Here.
like, coming back to life.
Here.
Zombies back? That would be a llama that comes back.
Yeah, I'm gonna share this link.
back. Like a robot, I could maybe see coming back, but based off of the picture of Tuco, I bet my money it's a zombie.
Hold on, I'm sharing this
I
link
think it
out.
has something to do with mutations or something. I read something about that. I don't know where, but it had something to do with mutations. That it could change your llama or something.
Well, where'd you read that? Let's go back to the tweet,
Give me
right?
1 second, I will go find it.
Yeah, share the link, but let's go over what's possible, right? So first, I'm gonna finally get to reading the tweet. First, what is dead can never die. Llamas do not stay dead. Yes, the entire generation 1 was hunted down by Tuco, rip. But soon they will look to get their revenge. Getting your hands on a rare Tuco might make all the difference. That's a clear hint that this guy's important to possibly getting a llama or llamas back. So let's go over the current theories we have. Hold on, Jose. Hold on. So the theories are: 1, you hold a Tuco, you get all your dead llamas back. So that'll be about 400 llamas. So 10,400. So next, it just brings back 1 llama. Another theory is you get to pick one llama. And finally,
Either way-
it only brings back a zombie.
Either way, it needs to be a consumable. Otherwise, you could just keep selling it, and everybody could buy one version of it and keep reviving all of their llamas.
Yeah, or it's a one-time action. But yeah.
Yeah, one-time consumable. Yeah.
It's only way
What
else.
are these NFTs?
So I found the important part. They wrote a word about NFTs. Sollamas were built on the Metaplex standard, which supports immutable and mutable.
Yeah.
Yeah, what does that mean? What does that mean?
Mutable means they can change your token.
They can
Immutable
basically
means
change your token.
yeah. So right now, all
So-
ours are mutable.
So I believe it has something to do with mutating your llama or something. I don't think they will bring back any llamas.
Well, why would it mute?
Because there's a 10k capped.
Okay. So then they mutates one of your llamas into a legendary. The legendary kills Tuco.
I also don't know. I'm just speculating here.
Yeah. No, I'm speculating as well.
I really like the theory that Tuca, that the llama comes back as a zombie, and if the llama kills Tuco, you get to keep that llama. But if Tuco kills the llama, then you lose the llama. I think that's really solid.
Yeah, logically it makes sense, right?
It does. It makes sense from a dev standpoint. However, ideally, my ideal situation would be you get to pick a llama as a consumable to revive using the Tuco. That's the ideal situation. What you said, I think, is more realistic.
And again, just this giant shell right here.
And once we know what the Tucos do, even if you don't want to use your Tuco for the chance, you might be able to resell it for a very inflated price once we know what they do.
So
Wait.
I'm just saying.
Doggo, do you follow me? Let's
Yeah,
see.
dude. It should be under Testing Best. I'll tweet you.
Are you guys going to be here in like 20 minutes?
Tesh, T-E-S-H.
T-
Invest.
Alright, I'll see you guys. I got to go do some stuff. I'll be back.
It's all one word, Tesh Invest, yo. There might be an S at the end.
Alright.
Oh, here. Wait. Here we go. Oh, what? I'm sorry, dude. Not following you. Okay, here we go.
You're good, dude.
Oh, I thought you tweeted the video.
No, I'm typing it up right now.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I can.
Hey,
I was typing up my theory.
Hey, do at Sollamas and do hashtag Sollamas, hashtag NFTs.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, now I'm following you. I've got to unfollow someone because I want to stay at 420. So let's see. Who am I gonna? Stoner Cats, Texas Blockchain Council. You guys are boring. Get out of here. All right. I mean, doing good work. Texas Blockchain Council, if you're watching, doing good work.
They just announced it. They're flapping with $40.
They just announced something?
They just announced something. You didn't see that?
What are we hashtagging on Twitter?
I mean, they're.
Oh, retweet. Once I retweet Tesh.
What are we tweeting? Hashtag Sollama?
No. Just retweet me. I'll post it. I'll post it in the Llamas. Wait, my echo is coming through someone's mic. Is that Jose? I'm gonna just mute Jose because people don't know Discord voice chat etiquette here. Okay, here we go. All right, let me know. Okay, here we go. What is this? Oh. Okay, I gotta like find you again. So this will be a nice 4x. If this works out, let's see here. Yeah, 4.475x. I mean percent gain. Do you think they'll let us breed llamas in the future? Because they've got male and female. There's some NFT projects out there that'll let you breed them and make baby NFTs.
Yeah, I think it was in the roadmap on the website.
All right then. Well then, my legendary is gonna make a baby with this rare. Hey Tesh, you gotta update your avatar, man.
Yeah, I know, man. I know. I use this for my investing thing. I'm trying to figure out how to tweet a long tweet. I've never really tweeted an extra long Twitter tweet. Because I've seen like people have it in like chains, like like, you know, it's like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, don't do a chain, but you just do it out in like one message. Somebody at me.
Yeah, it's too long. How do I do this? Maybe I can tweet a picture. I'll take a picture of it and then I'll tweet that.
No, just copy my link. Here, did I not send this to you? Hold on. The YouTube stream. This thing right here. Here, let me send it to you.
Yeah, send it to me. And then what do you want me to do? You just want me to post it there?
Oh, here. I'll give you the tweet right now. So, here, I'll just tweet it.
Yeah, I'll send it to you and then you can just tweet it.
Yeah, send me what you're. Yeah. I'll put the tags at the end here. Oh my goodness. No, dude, that's way too much for a tweet, man. Here, no.
I know.
Dude, no. You gotta tease people, dude. Here. Join us as we speculate what Tuco the Ugly means for getting our hashtag Sollamas back. Sollamas, okay, crypto NFT, and then let me just add Sollamas NFT. What Tuco the Ugly means to get our Sollamas back, and then I'll also put our Sollamas. Yeah, that's fine. Boom. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy this tweet, guys, and go to Llamas Follow Llamas channel and just retweet that. Did I not tag the team? I did tag the team. Okay, cool. All right. Back to speculating here. Yeah, so I was trying to send my friend, because my friend had an artifact zombie. I was trying to send this to her, but I couldn't. I was able to send her a cheap grave. Those MX Cherry Blues right there, Doggo?
Alright, hold on. I think I reduced it. Give me a second. Alright, I got a smaller version made. So I'll tweet this.
Oh, well, yeah, you can send me... Well, actually, let me go to the big one.
Here, I got a shortened version made. Give me a second.
Well, I already tweeted it, so... But I can add... Let's see here.
Alright, no worries. Whatever you want to do.
Here, I'll just add this, right? Watch this.
Yep.
That's how we do it. Boom. So we got space. Well, that's tweet 1. Then we just add another tweet, right? So... Oh, shoot. Alright. My theory... I'll tag you in here.
Thank you, sir.
One occurs, we get a random. That, and then we'll end it with. Oh, I guess that's the end. Okay, boom. Cool. Yeah, let's keep spreading this idea just so they they like know that we want our dead llamas back.
Yeah, that makes sense, man. I don't know what they're gonna do, but I hope they do something along these lines because that way it keeps it fair. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. So let's just talk about not only just this project. I think all this drama, guys, and all the guys who are whining about wanting a remit and whining about refunds and all that, like they were still going to buy it anyways. But that just created more hype for this project. So the same thing happened with Degen Apes, right? They had a snafu like day 1, and then their servers crashed on day 2 because so many people were hitting it. And there's so much hate and toxicness on their Discord, and it's still sold out in like 8 minutes. And it's still, what is the floor? Let's go look at the floor. And that, what happened with Degen Apes exploded Solana. So we'll look at the chart here in a second. Degen Apes, let's go to low to high. The floor is, it's 7.7. So the floor started out at 16, then 15, then 14, and you know, we're a few days into the week now, and now you just got these comments. That's actually a sweet jacket.
What do we think about Bold Badgers? Is that the next hot drop?
Not even paying attention to that. But Bull Badgers?
That look like shit though.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like the artwork. It looks like a skunk.
Yeah, no, the apes and llamas, I mean, I do research to find stuff to invest in. Those are the best looking NFTs. You want something that has a big community and you can generate hype about, right? So look at this chart. So this is a 1 hour chart.
You're saying that Bold Badgers and Solana are the same team, so take that how you want it.
Yeah. Let's see, we'll see. But Solana is now a strong third of my portfolio. It was like lower end, but this just like literally apes came out, and then the market cap basically over doubled in Solana. So $10 billion came into the market in like 2 days, guys. So that's not degens and retail. That's institutions and funds. Because not only did they see the demand for high quality NFTs on Solana, but they loved the small transaction fees, the 75,000 transactions per second, and not just that. Here, I gotta mute this other guy, Carlos Crypto. Mute. Get off my stream. All right. So, yeah, they're in the space. So they're getting ready to buy NFTs and invest in crypto projects on Solana. And after NFTs, guys, it's going to be NFT gaming that blows up. By the way, let's go to this other tweet. Now we get into some investing tips here. Gotta do this research. No, not that. 0 out of 10 NFT stats that will blow your mind. January of this year, about 780,000 users. Now it's doubled, 1.42. OpenSea hit $1 billion yesterday. As much volume as 17 days and the 7 months the start of this year. So this is insane NFT growth, guys. And what's cool is, as a crypto investor, I just got into the NFT space, and I'm seeing like, wow, this is the start of real early mass adoption. Because the normies, the regular people, most of you guys, you guys don't care about technicals or macroeconomics and Austrian economics. Like, you guys care about like cool freaking art, and if you're a creator, getting a cut of that art every time it resells. So this is insane demand. This is exponential growth right here. Number of monthly NFT sales quintupled. 42K sales last August to 230K sales. Axie Infinity. So this is actually the next project I was going to look in research after Sollamas. I was going to cash out my llamas and buy some Axies and try it out.
Terrible idea.
Why?
Axie Infinity is going nowhere. As soon as any big name developer drops a crypto game, it's gonna take all of the market share of Axie Infinity. I mean, that shit's already pumped to the moon as well. What's the currency at? Like what, $60, something like that?
Could go to 100. But I just want to like get my Axies and get in the game and see what it is.
Fair enough.
But the people in the Philippines are actually using it to make money. So that's interesting.
I think it's too late to start with Axis, to be honest. I think it's way too late.
See, I was actually thinking about, these big name companies. Like, let's say RuneScape or Pokemon does an NFT, then I don't know if they could actually, like, use that item in the game anymore, right? Because technically, don't you own the rights to it?
The best stablecoin, old school GP. Best stablecoin there.
No, I get that. But I'm thinking, like, in terms of an NFT, right? If you own artwork for an NFT, it can't really be leveraged on a mass game like that anymore, right? So I don't know how well they would perform, because even if somebody acquires it, what are they going to do with it if they can't use it in the game?
No, that's what I'm saying though. Imagine like, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, right? How, the whole market is just buying skins. Imagine if those skins were then NFTs and you can buy and sell those and I also use them in the game.
Yeah, but that's different, right? If it's an NFT, then I don't think you could really use it in the product itself, because technically that's a copyright issue, right?
That's a good question, honestly.
Like, if somebody leverages my NFT in a video game, then I could technically sue them because I own the rights for that, right? Artwork. It's like the whole Creative Commons thing. Like, I'm not a lawyer or anything, so I'm just speculating here, but from a legal standpoint, it doesn't reasonably make sense that somebody could use my artwork without my permission.
Yeah, are we talking about Axie still?
I mean, yeah, kind of, right? So Axie is freaking huge. Like, I'm on their website right now, and if you were to get like an Axie NFT, like, would it be worth a lot if people aren't really interested in buying it since they can't use it in game?
No, they can use it in game. You have to buy the characters to play the game, and they're like.
No, but that's what I'm saying, right? How can they leverage NFT that they sold to you in the game itself, right? Isn't that like a copyright issue?
So, no, I don't think that would be an issue because I mean, where are you using that Axie? You're using it in the game, or you're just holding it in your wallet?
Well, I guess I'm not sure what the Axie NFT is, but if you can.
Oh, their token. You mean the token or their?
No, the NFT itself.
Yeah.
Let's say they sell you an Axie, like whatever the Axie monster is, right?
Yeah.
If you use that in the game, right?
You're supposed to,
Isn't that a copyright issue then?
No. You have to. Those are the characters that you use to play in the game. Like.
But then, how is that an NFT?
No, it's only like you can use it. No other person can use it. They have their own NFTs.
Yeah.
But you can't sell it?
Yeah, you can sell it,
Yeah, you
but
can
then
sell
it's
it.
gone, then it's not yours.
Yeah, see, like I don't have any Axies. I have to go buy these Axies, and I
you're
don't know.
saying the whole game itself is an NFT where everybody uses an NFT to play the game?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
Dude, that's where NFT gaming is going. NFT gaming is going to be so much bigger, like 10, 100 times bigger than NFT art right now. Like you guys don't know what's coming, but it's going to be insane because it's just not just characters that you level up, characters that you can sell to other players. You know, you don't have to rely on 1,000 miners in China, you know, finding gold for you. It's and also it's items, upgradable items. But yeah, if I go here, let's go to that website.
I guess what I was thinking was kind of like RuneScape, where everybody can buy the same type of armor. You can't really do that, right? In that case.
Well, I don't know if you could buy the same. I don't know how many different kinds of Axies there are.
Yeah, everybody has their own unique one that's different. Yeah.
And then how do you do a rarity? And how do you determine price if they're all equally rare?
Has anyone here read up on Illivium?
Somebody sent me that link the other day. It looks pretty cool. I still have to do more research. I've just been all heads down on llamas.
Last time I looked at the token, it was like $200. Now it's like 500, I think.
Yeah, last I saw was like, yeah. Hey, Doug, look at this. The cheapest guy is $200, and to put a team together of 5, it's $1,000 to play that game. But apparently you can earn ETH, I guess.
It's a team of 3.
A team of 3. Okay, so $600. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip my llamas and then get a team of Axies together, and then check out the game because the videos I've seen. I mean, it looks like they've done some good balancing and stuff, but it'll be interesting to see.
What are the highest prices going for?
Let's see here. I think 300,000 was the highest I saw. Oh, you can buy 8?
Yeah, that's the highest ID.
Oh, whoops. Highest price. What is this guy?
Shit, nobody's paying that.
No way.
No, that he's just trolling.
No,
He's
that's
just
not. That's someone just put it. Yeah.
Yeah, nobody's paying any of this.
Yeah, that's impossible. That's like,
That's ETH, dude.
yeah, that's
Highest purchase price, something like that.
No, that is put on sale. So yeah, they can put
Maybe
any
like
price.
1,000 ETH I could
The-
see, but not that much.
Vitalik has like
No
300,000 ETH.
they're gonna be spawning mini Bezoses.
Yeah, this looks okay. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, come on. Okay, let's go to page like 4,000. What? Oh, let's just go.
Wait, are you able to find out like what's been sold? Like,
A good starting team is $2,000.
The starting team is about 2,000. Well, I thought you said 3, right? So I guess I could. Here, let me go to lowest price. I could buy these 3 guys. Wait, hold on. What are these? Oh,
Yeah, you're saying a decent team. It's about 2K.
You don't want to just buy the cheapest. They won't play well together.
what's the floor price?
oh, this guy looks cool.
See, that's another thing. I don't really know what's good and what's not, right?
Yeah, but that's what I want to dive in, man. I want to make some. I want to make 5 figures on llamas and go. I want to interview. Can you chat in the game? Can you talk to the players? Actually, don't they have a Discord? Let's see here. Oh yeah, right. Am I not in it?
Yeah, they have Discord, but you cannot chat in the game itself. I think.
Gotcha.
I'm assuming you'd want some type of ability for each one to be unique, right? To leverage them together.
Yeah, they have their ability, and that's what you use in the game to fight.
Yeah, so you got like a frost axie with a lightning axie. that kind of thing.
God, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's doable for sure. This hasn't even blown up yet, so it's still early stages.
Yeah, it's totally the case because it's only the crypto hardcore that knows about this, and like a lot of people in the Philippines apparently. But imagine, yeah, like people are actually earning. I was listening to this podcast, and people are earning a living playing this game.
You know what this reminds me of? What was that? What was that? What was that game that was kind of like RuneScape, but it wasn't. It was like a MOBA. Something like
League of Legends.
T, I think.
T.
Yeah. This reminds me of that. Fuck, I don't remember.
Team Tactics or something like that.
No. It was like cartoony, kind of like this.
Oh, this guy's spaced out. Wait, I don't see a price on this guy. Can I just buy
Maple
it?
Story, actually. Maple Story, not T something. This
Maple
reminds
Story.
me kind of Maple Story for some reason. If you Google like Maple Story characters, it like there's like a picture that has some that looks similar. Just hit images.
Oh, kind of like this.
Get rid of Maple Story.
Just Maple Story.
Yeah, just Maple Story. Get rid of characters. Yep. Now look at that picture on your right. The third one from the right, from the top. Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Oh, can you play these little Jello guys?
I don't know. Maple Story was like RuneScape's competitor. I never played it, so I don't know. But the characters reminded me of that.
Gotcha. Dude, okay, yeah. This is I'm definitely diving in because it's independent games right now, right? It's independent games with only hardcore crypto guys that are playing the game, and now we're starting to get early mass adoption into crypto. So it's gonna be.
They can breed too. Breed count. That's interesting.
Yeah, I think you can make a baby. Lands. Oh, you can buy land in here too? Wait, is this a Decentraland?
No, it's gonna have its own.
It's probably like inside the game.
Oh. Dude.
Like you build your base or something on there.
Yeah, this game is gonna.
Why is it going for so much?
Let's see what this is the lowest price too. Damn.
3 ETH.
The floor is 10 grand. Holy shit.
Dude, 3 ETH a year ago was like $1,000. Let's see. Dude. So okay, so you beat another to the people who have played Axie in here. You beat another team and you get a little bit of ETH. Like how much ETH do you get, or you get Axie tokens?
You get Smooth Love Potion.
Smooth Love.
Smooth Love Potion.
The artist is pretty good. I like his style. Very simple. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do. That's my next research. Okay, let's see. What's this application? Oh yeah. Let's go see what they're up to. No new tweets. Let's go to the Discord here.
We should tag him in that. I'll tag him.
Yeah. I tagged them the official Twitter. Unusual. I think it's more like 10 to 15 or 10 to 20. We'll see. Yeah, I would say artifact zombie at least 25,000. You should be 6 figures in fiat. Let's see here. Stop lowballing. I think all these guys are still asleep. Where is yeah, let's see. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, the devs are asleep. Austin's online. Who's Austin? I wonder how long. When did you guys find out about this project? Like, I'm curious, like its history.
I found about it. I found about it on YouTube.
On
There
YouTube.
was some, like an NFT guy.
Mm-hmm.
What was his username?
I don't remember his name, but I think it was Spanish American. I don't know what you call it.
We think new games.
Well, what are your thoughts on everyone selling like the llamas going for 0.05 Sol?
The graveyards, or the
Yeah, are those like useless?
so those are common. I sold all mine for 0.0 or 0.5, and then I had to sell them for 0.05. So those are just commons, right? So if they come back to life, it's just a common llama, is my thesis. So I kept all my rare, legendary, epic.
How much do you think that's gonna go for?
Oh, the graveyards? I don't know. I'm not selling mine, so I can tell you that. But like we're buying on speculation, right? So you got to price in risk if you do that. So if it's a rare, I'm pricing it around 20, 25. And you know, if it's a graveyard, may come back, may not come back. So maybe price them at 10, half the price. All right. What was I gonna look up? Dang it! I was gonna look up something. Yeah, I had two Tucos. Tucos. Sold one for a 10. Two minutes right after they tweeted about the hint on Tuco. I bought one for 5. Good job, Wes. I hope you get something from that. What was I gonna look up? Yeah, I'm not a fan of XRP. I don't know why XRP is showing up on here. I have not Googled XRP in years. Don't hate me, crypto people. Let me change that to Bitcoin real quick. Okay. Let's see. I guess this is what people are searching for, XRP. Oh, what was I looking up? Actually.
You were gonna try to find. Okay, never mind.
No. What were you gonna say?
I thought you were gonna look up the YouTuber who was making that NFT video.
Oh, yeah, Solana.
Is it to do 10k subscribers?
Yeah, 10k
He made a video
subscribers.
like best NFTs to buy for $100 or something. I think, if that's what you're talking about.
NFTs for $500.
100.
Was it Giancarlo buys tokens? That's its channel name at least.
Is it?
Just search for Giancarlo.
Not John Carlos.
Gian.
We got the message email.
Oh, this guy? Is this the
Yeah,
guy?
yeah, that guy. This guy's insane.
Giancarlo?
Okay, which
Everyone subscribe.
which video was it? The Solana one.
It was the third one to the right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
He said he recommended Solana and Cardino.
Cardano. Cardino. I like the pronunciation.
Cardano.
Yeah, my portfolio, I have it's Ethereum is 85%, Bitcoin about 14%, and then everything is like a percent. Add one.
I did receive an email.
Is there any point in buying Bitcoin if you're not buying like a full Bitcoin?
No, because I think Bitcoin's gonna be 10 million in 10 years, so
Really?
0.1 will be a million then.
Okay, but I suppose it takes time for them to.
1 Bitcoin, 10 million.
In 10 years.
It's processing.
That is my hypothesis.
Is that yours, or are there like other people
Is that
that
gonna
have
cost
similar speculations?
No, that's what all Bitcoin maxis think. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. I was a host of the Dallas Bitcoin meetup. But yeah, Bitcoin is just going to absorb so much value. It's basically digital gold, right? So check out this book, by the way, the Bitcoin Standard. It goes through the history of money and what money is, right? So this is a very good book. Everyone should check it out. So it goes into what money is.
Oh.
Hey, Doggo, did you read this book?
No, I never read that, man.
Oh, dude, man, I'll if you have a Kindle, I'll give you the Kindle version.
No, I appreciate that. Just send it to me. I'll take a look at it.
Yeah. But basically, it's digital gold because it's hard sound money, meaning you can't easily inflate it, right? So we're all in the U.S. right now, and we're suffering from inflation, and that's why you guys need to be. I know, like you guys, half of you guys sound like you're 18, but you got to start investing. You can't 9 to 5 your way to wealth. You've got to buy stocks. You've got to buy crypto. Actually, you're young, so buy crypto only. Like get all in crypto. I'm old, but I got 99% in crypto.
What do you consider old?
I'm 40, so yeah.
Are you from the U.S.?
Yep.
What state?
Texas. Why are you trying to dox me, bro?
Damn, yeah.
You want my birthday too?
I'm just curious.
What's your address, bro?
What's my social security number?
Dude, I like that chart, man. That's like a cup and handle almost, like twice.
Yeah. So like I'm a technical trader too, but like this actually you can't really trade this. I mean you can trade this, but
this is the new territory. Yeah.
This is new territory, guys. This right here is institutional hedge funds, high net worth coming in. 10 billion plus, guys, in 2 freaking days. That's not degens. That's not Wall Street bets. Actually, maybe Wall Street bets could do that, but yeah.
What are your projections for Sol?
I think 250 to 600 is my range.
By end of the year?
No, the end of the cycle. So that could be end of this year, or it could be first half of next year.
Wait, really?
Yeah. So here, let's look at some look at the Bitcoin chart, right?
Because the articles I seen, they say like 100.
600 this cycle is impossible, dude.
No, I don't think it's impossible.
Dude, the tokenomics, $600 sold this cycle, dude. The cycle ends in probably less than 4 months, dude.
No. It might not end this year. It might go into next year. We're getting extended cycles.
How many crypto cycles did you participate?
Since 2013. 2013 was my first.
And you really think the cycle is longer?
Yeah, every cycle is longer. Like the 2012 cycle was small. The 2013 cycle was. Here we could go from the bottom to the top, right? 114 days, and then the 2017 cycle was longer than the 2013 cycle. And right now, like we're getting here. Actually, let me make this easy for you guys. Follow this guy. And Bitcoin, 100 grand end of the cycle. That's the low end, right? It's somewhere between 100 and 300.
Yeah, 300 maybe, but most unlikely.
Yes, yeah, agreed. Most unlikely, right? We're doing a range. Here, follow this guy. Here, this is into the cryptoverse. But where is his? Here.
That's where all the crypto YouTubers have they get like no views, low key.
Yeah, it's all the NFT guys getting all the views now, right? Where's it? Market cycle. Here, let me search here.
Kanye West needs to make his album an NFT.
Yo, what up, Ashar?
Is Ashar in here?
Yo, what's up? Can you hear me?
Yeah, hey, what's up, dude?
Dude, it's been a minute.
I know. Where you been? How's your trades going?
It's been pretty good. I was in cash for a while. I bought some Neo and then it dipped. I literally picked the worst week to buy Neo.
Oh. Dude, I sold closed out all my stock option positions. I'm basically 100% in crypto.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it doesn't even make sense, dude. Like I could trade Robinhood for 10% a month. Like, why am I doing that when I can flip ape JPEGs for 200% in a day?
Dude, we just made bank off this fucking Sollamas thing.
Yeah, dude, I'm about to 7x on this.
So Doggo, you said that you sold only one and you made your money back, and you still have some.
So I paid around $870, and I bought the llamas. So I had like a bunch of gravestones, and I had in addition to the gravestone, the Tuco character. So I sold one gravestone and the Tuco, and I broke even. I'm like down like maybe like $90, less than that. So I pretty much broke even. So, and I haven't even sold my 2 legendaries and my rare llama, which I'm probably gonna do tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna sell them for maybe like a total of maybe 3,000 to 5,000 between there.
All right, guys, check this out. So here's the market cycles of Bitcoin. So you have the first cycle, you have the second cycle, the third cycle is yellow, the fourth cycle is purple. And here, let's see. But so this is old because it's dropped down below yellow. So see, they're getting longer, and they're getting diminishing returns, meaning the ROI is going lower. But so this is just a decade-long historical pattern of basically halving cycles. Like, or you could say roughly 4-year cycles, 2-year bear market, 2-year bull market, but they're getting longer. They're getting longer each time. So like, I don't think I think we could hit 100K end of this year, but that's not going to be the end of it. Then that means we hit 200 sometime next year on Bitcoin. And always remember, with Bitcoin, with crypto, you have a parabolic end to the cycle, right? So that's why this is not a this is not an end of the cycle. This
was just a joke, dude.
Exactly. This is just a hump, guys. This is a hump in where we're going. Oh shoot, let me undo that.
Really?
Yeah, here, let's go back to 2017. Right? We went up.
Yeah, 17 was insane. 17 was insane.
Yeah. I lost money in 2013, but I learned all my lessons and made it back in 2017.
Do you think we're there right now?
No, dude. I think we're here. I think this is like where we're at. Like this. Well, it's either this or this. Here. I think we're more like this right here.
You're saying something big is coming up,
Guys, so look at this. This is November. November, we're at $5,000, and we went to 20,000 in a month. So that's what signals it, right? Now, and then what happens, right? You basically have like a 50% correction. Let's see here. Yeah, and then you have a bull trap. This is when you get out, right? Because you don't know when to sell. You don't know when to sell because you have drops here, you have a drop here. You sell when you have a lower high. That's the bull trap, and then you get out. So I didn't sell there. I sold at 12,800. Yeah, I sold around right here, and then literally look at this, the textbook descending triangle for 8 freaking months. I was all in cash. I waited for this breakdown. The Bitcoin Civil War. No, this was the Bitcoin Cash Civil War. That broke down. Boom, bought the bottom here. Ascending triangle broke up. This was 2019. I took out a couple loans and bought Bitcoin and Ethereum here, somewhere here. I almost got margin called in a COVID drop, and then we're off to the races. So this was like 12 months of like non-stop action. We needed this kind of pullback. Okay, sorry, we're getting way off topic here.
Yeah, we're
sorry.
Llamas to Bitcoin.
yeah, I'm trying to teach some people, man. Like I know there's a lot of young kids in here. Like, invest, guys, invest. Like if I could take back 2 years of my 20s, like I would not party as hard as I did. I would fucking invest every goddamn penny. Every goddamn penny.
You should probably follow him on Dumb Money and his Twitter as well.
Oh, yeah, dumbmoney.tv, by the way. Oops. So, I used to work for these guys, but they're all multimillionaires, and they basically teach you how to find stocks using research, right? And it's so sharp. They see, look, they're going on TikTok and finding out like shopping trends. So like what I'm doing, I'm going in your guys' Discord. I'm seeing the hype in Solana NFTs. I'm buying Solana. I'm flipping the NFTs. I'm going to check out NFT gaming next because that's the next sector that's going to blow up to multi billions.
Wait, which one?
NFT gaming. And so far, I mean, it's Ethereum right now, right? But Solana is the only one that can truly support like level 1 blockchain, a layer 1 blockchain transactions, right? 75,000 a second.
You think Solana would surpass Ethereum?
No. I don't think it surpasses in market cap, but I think they could take a big chunk away in the gaming space. Now, once Ethereum 2.0 comes out, you know,
I think that'll be way better, like lower gas fees.
yeah. With Ethereum 2.0, I mean, I'm still 85% in ETH. I think it outperforms Bitcoin. It's outperformed Bitcoin the last 2 years.
Wait, really?
Yeah, and it's going to continue outperforming Bitcoin.
Well, what's your max projection for Ethereum?
10 to 20K this cycle. Actually, no, I'm going to up that 10 to 25K. So 10K is unlikely conservative. Actually, no. I would say 10K is the middle range, right? If we get a bearish, something happens, World War III going on, like maybe, you know, it tops out around 7K, 7,500. So then somewhere between 10 and 15 is the middle, and 20 to 25 is my projection. And these are my opinions. This is not financial advice. Yeah, I gotta say that.
So what do you say? Now's like a great time to buy.
The great time to buy Ethereum.
I mean, think of it this way, right? What is your price target? Whatever your price target is compared to that, and then if you compare, let's say your price target is 100,000. If you think Ethereum is going to hit 100,000, buying it at $3,000 is chump change, right?
By the way, I think it will hit 100,000 when Bitcoin is $1 million.
This is not financial advice, right? So I'm just trying to keep it like high level, like whatever you think it's going to hit, compared to that, and be like, oh shit. If I can get $1 million item for $3,000, you know, should I do that? Like, is $3,000 a good opportunity, or should I wait? You know what I mean? You got to think about it like that.
Exactly. By the way, guys, look at this. You guys should get into Ethereum staking. This is a new kind of passive income. If you can get to 32 ETH at 5% right now, and if it hits 10,000, that's 19. That's basically 20,000 a year in income.
Leon, I feel like you're giving away really good details, man. I feel like you should be holding back on this. This is like, it's up to you. It's up to you.
What even is
this? No, this is passive income. So this is fine. This is fine. This is staking, right? If you stake 32 ETH. Yeah, maybe I'm getting too deep in here now. so ignore this, right? Ignore this. Let me just ignore that. If you have 32 ETH and you stake 32 ETH, right, on Coinbase, and the price of ETH gets to $10,000, that's basically your ETH is 320,000, but you don't sell that, right? You just let that sit in your Coinbase account, staking at 5%. That's 20,000 a year. If it's 20,000, you know, that's 38,000 a year. Now if you have 64 ETH, and you know, it starts to get crazy. Basically, you just double these numbers.
Oh, you should just keep it in. You don't.
I'm so confused that everyone does NFTs before crypto. That's what I'm surprised by.
Oh, no, so
I assumed you all did crypto and then you went into NFTs.
No, dude. So whoever's speaking as a Bellow Heaven, this is what's beautiful, though, right? So I'm a technical trader, but what's cool is NFTs is bringing in the early mass majority, right? I mean, we're talking to college kids and like Montessori school teachers and stuff. They're getting into the crypto space now because of NFTs, because they didn't care about like technicals or macro or Austrian economics or how hedge funds think, but they see like these cute animals like pengus and stuff like that. Pengus
are going crazy right now.
But yeah, the one thing I would say is like I've noticed that it's kind of switched to like people are just trying to flip it to make money. And it's kind of like a gold rush right now. Like everybody's just wants to get in.
The crypto traders like us, right? We're going in. We're flipping this stuff. But like did you posted that video with that kid who was crying? Hold on. We gotta watch that.
Yeah, that was.
Who's crying?
Bro, we gotta watch this.
Pudgy penguins, man.
Hold on.
Wait, they're actually sad?
I am my penguin.
No, there was this guy on Twitter, his name was Joey. He got some pudgy penguins, and it's like changed his life. He was like in depression. His girlfriend left him or something, and he was just talking about how his penguin is him. Penguin is life.
Okay, no, hold on. Everyone mute for like 2 minutes.
And I and my penguin is me, and I am my penguin, and oh my god, I was going through some crazy things, and thank God, like I said, I had some supportive people with me along the way. I've had some amazing people supporting me and constantly lifting me up. Now, the day of the mint, I minted so many other projects, and I invested not money, I invested me into these projects. And for some reason, when it came to the penguins, I didn't know much about Cole, I didn't know much about Mr. Tubby. I didn't know how amazing, how influential these two people were. I didn't know at that time. And I didn't know what they were producing. And I said, you know what, I'll call out on this one, regardless of what everybody was telling me. I said, you know what, I'm going to call out on this one. I'm going to save some money. I have a girlfriend. Let me take her out to a nice dinner. And I find myself in a group chat with 18 whales. And all of them are telling me, these penguins, Cole, Mr. Tubby, these are people that we've never come across before.
What? That was it? What happened?
No, I don't think you got.
Did I listen to
last few satire?
That and I and my penguin is me, and I am my penguin.
That he did get it, or he didn't get it.
He's
He got it.
He got it. Yeah.
This cannot be serious.
Dude, it is serious, man. And look at the people in here, man. Like.
I still don't get why people buy NFTs. Like besides flipping. Like
literally no.
I mean, hey, some people want to play the game, right?
Hey.
Some people do it for entertainment.
Dude, there's some good art. There's some good art. Like here, this is my collection.
Like,
Right, yeah.
I'm just.
Yeah, but if I was gonna have an art piece, I'd rather have a Rembrandt on the wall rather than digital.
Yeah, but dude, that's
crypto wallet.
but that's old school art, right? We're talking about the next generation of people coming up. We don't have Gen Z, like Alpha.
Here's the point.
Don't get me wrong, but like.
Yeah, no.
I can't say I fully get it. I wouldn't do it myself. I can understand how other people do it.
Yeah.
So this is basically finessing Gen Z.
What if Sollamas spawned like
millennials too.
roleplay NFTs? Like honestly, it's been such a fucking crazy journey. Like from minting my llamas to having them getting shot and killed. Like watching them die one by one. Tried hiding them in another wallet. Fucking.
These are pretty much like the ICOs of 2017. Like it's the same exact.
It is, but the people are getting a real product, dude. That's the thing, right? Because in 2017, dude, I was flipping ICOs in 2017. But
remember like the 100Xs and stuff, like from Icon and like One.
Yeah,
and stuff, and
yeah, yep.
Yeah, it's like the next big thing. And then that's kind of the same. It's just a way to make money.
Yeah, it's not just a way to make money, but yeah, it is a way to make money for us. But dude, people are getting in here. They're playing games. Actually, if any, they're earning livings off of this stuff. Like, and there's so much more utility, right? It's just fun too. It's like a game and digital art.
More interactive. There's a lot more things that like more like applications you can build with it.
Yeah, like just with the Llamas project, right? Like they're gonna be able, you're gonna be able to breed, and like you're gonna get other drops, so that keeps building up the hype. So these guys are, they're building a good product.
But these tend to go in a cyclic way. The only reason I think Llamas, whatever the fuck you want to call it, is going to survive is because it's one of the first projects on the Solana.
It's also unique and punny. I mean, you got the name Soullamas, like it sounds like Solana. And then we have the lore and backstory and like the legend of the story of
they put a good product together.
Actually, Solana NFT.
Like the actual page.
Wait, Ashar, what do you say?
I was gonna say, like, is it confirmed that this is like the first NFT project by Solana? Or is
No, it's not, dude. DJ, we're not in DJ apes.
Monkey Business was handful, but Monkey Business was before this one.
Oh, okay, Monkey Business.
But it's not made by Solana, right?
Yeah, these are teams building on Sollama.
No. But
I know.
Solana Labs team helps them, so that's why that guy was helping them yesterday when they were having that shit show moment.
I know there's a fund. There's like a creator fund for.
Yeah, they
they need this to succeed, though.
They give you like.
No, they've already succeeded. These guys. These guys have raised $2.8 million a piece. That's enough money for them to fund their next projects, right? So they're just going to continue building different NFT projects. So.
Oh no, I'm not saying they didn't succeed. I'm saying they needed it to succeed, because as one of the starting projects on the Solana chain, as like it was like the start of NFTs on Solana.
Yes.
This, Dead Apes, like if one of these projects like had such bad media because it was starting to get it, it would have been pretty bad for the whole moving from ERC onto these cheaper chains, so like Solana and stuff. That's why I thought that the shift was going to be Ethereum to, NFT Ethereum money is going to be moved into Solana. That's why I started looking at Solana projects.
Yeah,
And then this happened.
Yeah.
It'd be good to know because like the price of Solana pumped with all these NFT drops. Like, what's going to be the next Solana? What's going to be the next NFT platform? Because whatever platform is that platform's going to pump. I don't know if it's Cardano. Is Cardano going to do NFTs?
No, fuck
Cardano's trying.
They only have.
Cardano's not a good idea.
Cardano's filled with a bunch of normies. They all just buy it because it's $1. Cardano's a fucking shitcoin.
It's actually right. It's a complete shitcoin. Like, you think about the progress that Solana has some of the best numbers. ADA used to have it. It didn't have smart contracts for so long, and you've had Solana come out for like 2 years, and it's done so much more progress in the time in comparison. Solana has smart contracts. It's newer than ADA.
Are they backed by FTX? Is that the same company?
Yeah. FTX uses it, I believe, on their
Like Sam
platform.
Friedman, right? Like that guy that runs FTX. I think he built Solana.
No, he didn't build Solana. He built FTX.
Oh, okay.
No, SBF didn't build Solana. He actually just invested in the project because he was very promising when he actually tested the network. So he's not a builder; it's just an investor, a big investor.
A lot of people were quite sad that they didn't get in when they were offered to go into Solana. Really.
Yeah, I wish I had invested in Solana.
Dude, I only heard about Solana from a Kevin Rose podcast, and I was able to buy it at $9, but I sold it at $40. But hey, I'm happy. I got back in at $44.
I mean, that's the beautiful thing. Yeah, we could buy Solana. We're all bullish on Solana, but there's such a big space that's opening up with all that stuff we saw in Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Like, it's all coming here now. Like, and it's gonna just branch out. And it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
Solana's gonna go crazy.
It's gonna have a rough time, to be honest.
It feels like when you like got into BNB when it was like 40 and rode SafeMoon. Like, this is like start over
again. If you want to get
like,
into one of these projects like BNB, like these tokenomics of trading platforms, I would look into BitDAO. So if you actually look at the statistics of the last year, basically Binance lost 15% of its money going in, just exited. FTX was going in, that's why everyone went hyper bullish on FTT token. So it went up 77%. They're like new customers and stuff. And then you had KuCoin go up by 3%, and you had Bybit go up by 25%. So basically the next one is, the only one that doesn't have a token is Bybit, and they're releasing what's called the BitDAO. And basically a lot of big investors like Peter Thiel, etc., have invested in it, and it's in a Dutch auction right now. So you can auction for the ICO of it. Normally I would say ICOs in crypto don't fucking do it. That's just stupid. They're just going to pump prices and dump. However, the sort of contract goes that if the price drops under, you buy it at the end price instead of buying it at a fixed price, which is very different. So BitDAO will be your like long-term new hold, because the crash of Binance was quite normal to happen. Like, it's quite obvious that it's going downhill, especially with all the shit projects and shit coins, etc., on the BSC, which automatically get accepted.
What country is this in? Is this a DEX or?
Well, BitDAO. No, it's going to be the governance token for Bybit, the exchange.
Bybit, it's the biggest shit on earth, dude.
Hey, that doesn't matter. It's a user base. At the end of the day, you're investing in a project to make money, aren't you? So this is doing better than
Nice, yo. Largest DAO directed treasury partner with leading protocols.
When you have Peter Thiel in it, like it had 250 million put in straight away with multiple venture capitalist firms.
Yo, that website look at that URL.
Yeah.
It seems a bit sketchy. I would be careful, Leon.
I would.
Yeah, dude, that URL looks super sketchy. And then there's another website called bybit.com.
Yeah,
that one looks sketchier.
I'm sticking to Coinbase. Coinbase is where I'm trading.
You guys gotta get it. Yes.
You don't get Bybit and stuff.
Yeah, we're Americans.
That's why.
Canada has no good exchange.
By the way, yeah, this is what.
We have Shake Pay in Canada, which is actually pretty good. It's like you could. It's almost like
what's it called?
We guys have Bitfinex.
Shake Pay.
Bro, I've been using Newton and Kraken.
You can use FTX in Canada. FTX is crazy. You can leverage.
No, not in Ontario.
FTX is
Don't do
great.
KYC. You can still use it.
What's KYC?
FTX is the most compliant one. Know your customer.
Know your customer.
Basically, so the government doesn't come after you and try and sue your platform.
Mm-hmm. By the way, these are free NFTs on ETH, but they cost me 30-40 in gas, and they're free.
You think it's worth?
I like them. I like them, but here's a. I bought these guys. This is my art. I actually uploaded this. So if anyone wants to buy a crypto whale,
You draw these?
Oh shit!
yeah, Judy is back in like in the 90s, 97.
Dude, that's sick, man.
Thanks, man. I don't draw anymore, but yeah.
What's the most expensive NFT you have?
The most expensive, probably the DJ Ape. I'm selling this guy for 10 just for laughs. I think the most. Yeah.
How much
Yeah.
did you first?
Well, I sold his brother for 14.9. So.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm not selling this because this is my only DJ Ape. I'm gonna hold this guy for like ever.
Wait, how much is that one going for?
Well, he's a rare. Hold on. Well, no,
20?
he doesn't say here, but he's got a rare shoe. The shoe is rare. That's the only item that's rare. But let's go to the store. Let's go see.
Really missed out on the apes. I should have bought that.
Dude, I should have bought 10 apes. I should have bought 10 apes, dude.
Some of them are going for like.
Dude, one sold for $965,000.
Here, wait. Yeah.
That was on the day of launch, though. That was on the day of launch, wasn't it?
Dude, 1,000 right here. 1,000, dude. What is that? That's
You think anyone's gonna buy that? Wait, it just
1,000.
Oh
72 grand. What is this? Oh, dude. See, this is what I wanted. I wanted the Moon Boy. I wanted the astronaut, dude. That's what I wanted. 1,000.
Is that one like super extremely rare?
Yeah. That's the mythic. Mythic is the head, and the body is mythic too. Yeah, the astronaut.
Is that 101?
Yeah. One. That's only one.
Dude, like $100,000.
Wait, no, it's 70.
That's more. That's 100. No, never mind.
No, it's 72, right? Hold on, right here.
It's fucking insane, man. Oof.
I'm telling you, dude. But I know people that want to put like 5 figures into llamas. 71. Yeah, 71. So 71K.
What would you do if Elon Musk tweets about Solana?
Oh, dude. You just hold on to your pants.
Solana's going up.
I was thinking Dogecoin. What's it called? Pound is an NFT project. I think he's gonna do a Dogecoin NFT.
Oh.
Yeah. Or maybe like a Tesla NFT.
Hey, he released an NFT. Like his girlfriend made an NFT or paid a team to create an NFT for her. But yeah.
He cares about his girlfriend.
Wait, isn't Doge low-key dead?
Lab projects there, which are NFTs. So there's like this NFT game which isn't released, but you still can mint the NFTs. It's called Pmon, and then in that you can get like an Elrond dragon, a BSC dragon, an ETH dragon, stuff like this. And there's one which is just the Doge, and it's like a 3D generated moving NFT, and it's just got like this unicorn horn on it, and it just spins around and shit.
That's crazy.
What if they start making like actual games NFTs, like games like Apex Legends and like Valorant?
There are gaming NFTs. I'm literally waiting for them right now.
But to like that, to that degree though.
So is there like a game?
That's coming. That's coming.
Okay. Ape. I'm definitely gonna buy on Ape 2 whenever they release that.
Ape 2?
Wait, will second gens be as good? Like, will they even go for that much?
I mean, it could. It depends on how rare it is, right?
Oh, look at this zombie astronaut with no helmet.
901 that I messaged you earlier. Yeah.
63K. Yeah, dude, the zombie and the astronaut. Yep.
Damn.
Almost 6 figures.
DJ, I wonder who's buying these. Like, I need to meet these people.
It's all collectors, right? So collectors are buying it to resell.
Yeah, they come in and they just sweep up like rares.
Whales, bro. Whales.
Who are they gonna sell it to? Especially if they're buying it for 100K.
Years later.
Oh.
What's it called? You know that Gary V guy? He bought like CryptoPunks for like $3 million.
He's holding on to it?
Dude,
Yeah, he's holding on to it.
there was an anonymous investor that bought like 100 CryptoPunks for like $1 million each. And he's anonymous. He just wanted a history.
Line this up as like inflation hedges. That's what I think it is.
Well, inflation hedges, bragging rights, owning history.
So do you think you should just hold on forever?
My ape, my soul ape, I'm holding on forever.
Yeah, always buy two. Sell
Yeah.
one and keep the other one.
Exactly.
I think there was a guy on.
How's the Penguins doing?
Oh, I think they dropped. Let's
Whole
see.
block to buy CryptoPunks. He literally bought a whole Ethereum block for 5 Ether or something.
Yeah, he like tipped a miner or something like that to get that block. Yeah.
The Penguins have dropped a bit. I think the floor is at like 1.4 right now.
This number one is 350 ETH. Okay, let's go to.
350?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, this guy, because look, he's looking left. Everyone else is looking right. That's why he's rare. I heard about that guy.
I have my Penguin listed for 420 ETH right now. I just did it for YOLO. It's like a billion.
Oh, what is
What do you
this?
think? What do you think anyone's gonna? What's like the actual price of your penguin?
I paid 1 ETH for it, and I think I could probably sell it for like 3, so probably like a 3x.
Wait,
That's
what?
great.
Yeah.
3x? Wait for a 10, dude.
I have like the Hawaiian shirt one, so it's like.
Oh, these
Which
guys.
one is? What number is it?
Yeah, what number?
Let's see.
How much were these guys going from like launch?
1 ETH.
No, not 1 ETH. It was like
From the very beginning?
4122.
4122.
4122.
Just sorted by number.
It's not.
I don't think it's on here. Hold on. He's not selling it, right?
No, sort by ID.
But I don't think it's okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, what's the number again?
The ID 4122 on the left hand side under project where it says look
Oh,
up.
dude, you got the igloo and everything.
Oh, sick, dude.
Hold on. So you got Hawaiian shirt. Like, what's the rarity?
I like rarity score. That's so dope.
60.
Yeah, this site is sick. Yeah, I have. Yeah, he's got the glasses and the hat and the Hawaiian shirt.
Yeah, dude,
I
that's
was
dope.
making like so many memes with like my penguin, putting on Twitter.
Ash, change your avatar right now for this guy.
Yeah, bro.
I should do it on my Discord too.
Yeah.
So go back to the llamas for a second. So have we? I know there isn't really a price set in stone, but what are people considering for like?
Oh,
like
yeah.
llama price?
Here's mine, right? Here's my doc. So here's my llamas. I always speculate the floor should be 8 to 10 for the commons, and then for rare 20 and up, or 15 if it's lower
Isn't the
traits.
floor 4 though for common because that's what people are going to buy them back for, the developers?
The developers are gonna buy that back, right? But like I would assume a very little people are gonna sell for 4. But sure, let they all sell. They gets them out of the market. But it should double. Is my experience from other NFT drops. Looking at the price, it should
I
double.
thought these llamas would have done as good as the monkeys, the business.
It might even do better. Yeah.
Because they were going for like 100.
Yeah, like these llamas, if they catch on Twitter, like if all the crypto Twitter people start talking about this, I mean, this could still go. Like it hasn't. I think it hasn't even started yet.
Yeah.
Prices pump like crazy on these.
Yeah.
Especially because Solana is such a good platform, and like everyone, crypto Twitter likes Solana. So the moment they see that they have NFTs, it's gonna pump the price.
If the launch wasn't botched, do you think it would be way higher?
No. I think because the launch was botched, it's gonna be higher. The same thing with DJ. Yeah, this hype and this negativity and the toxicness and all the guys saying they're not gonna buy, they went out like whatever. They're buying. It doesn't matter what they say. Like that negative press created more hype. I was watching this play out with DJ Apes. Like that, their Discord went toxic when the site went down on Friday. And so basically, some guy was trying to hack their contract, and they had an API exposed or something like that. But they sent a million transactions to the thing, and it just broke their site. So they relaunched on Saturday, but so many people tried to buy that it not just broke down their site, it took down their gateway provider. So it took down their hosts. So they literally had to find a bigger host to moved everything over there. It relaunched like a few hours later, and then it was sold out in 8 minutes. Llamas sold out in 7 or 6.
Yeah, 6.
Even faster. And then we had this drama, and then here's my take on a drama with llamas, right? So
Drama on llamas?
yeah, the drama on llamas. Like we got to see class politics come into play because you had the early guys like me. Like I bought 16, I got 36. I was like, holy crap! But then people that bought later, they got none, right? Because of a bug in their code. So there was this battle, right? Hey, remit, don't remit, all this kind of stuff. In the end, so it was just like, like you could say like the top 20% were happy, the bottom 80 were mad, right? But then they made a decision that they got everyone mad, right? So basically they decided to remit. But then the stuff they did today kind of like made everyone like happy again. So we've all been on this emotional roller coaster. I just been watching it. It's just been exciting to watch and seeing how, wow, like how passionate people are for this project still, right? I think this is going to do amazing.
Fun. Like even the Penguins had fun. Like one of the developers, Cole, he was in that video. Like he's been taking money for some other projects, and like he had a drop shipping store that somebody found out where he was like not shipping people stuff. So they were just trying to throw the devs down. So but it's so pumped.
Yeah, exactly. Ignore the haters. Like all the guys bitching about, remit, I didn't get mine, I want my refund. Like block those guys. But it's like, yeah, that helps create hype for these projects. And Solana, like trust me, like the institutions watching this, guys. Again, let me show the Solana chart one last time. Oh, this is FTX.
Imagine if Sam buys a Sollama and changes his profile picture. I mean, that's GG. You guys are going to the moon.
Dude, if Chris bought this, we would have went to the moon.
Dude, I told Chris, I text Chris about this on like right after the pump in Solana, the 60 something. No, it was 48 when I text Chris, dude. So
I wish I went like 10x in Solana, man. I would have just bought the underlying like token. I didn't realize that it was all Solana based.
Yeah, I don't know if he bought, but that's why I texted him. But he was doing research for like stocks and stuff. But this right here again, guys, this is not retail, not degens. This is big money coming in.
But Leon, can you compare this to like March, April crypto? I think you're comparing this to like that volume. If you were to do it on the weekly, compare that to
the weekly, yeah.
Like first quarter when everything was pumping.
Yeah, see, still, we've got 5 weeks. 5 weeks of upward volume on it since middle of July.
Oh yeah, the volume's doubled.
Yeah, dude, the market cap went up by 10 billion plus.
That's great.
In 2 days, dude. That's institutions, bro.
JPEGs brought up the price by 10 billion.
Yeah, like trust me, there are guys right now. There's probably some analysts from Andreessen Horowitz in this Discord, like listening to us. Cool.
What's it called? 3AC. I think they're like a pretty high-profile crypto fund. They were buying penguins too.
Dude, multi-chain capital is probably in here, and Polychain. They probably rebalanced because like the last couple days I saw dips in Cardano and dips in Polkadot, and normally Polkadot, Cardano, and Solana go up together, but it looked to me like a reallocation into Solana.
So I also saw a tweet today that Elon Musk's brother has joined like the Dogecoin. Like he's working with the founders, and like there's another big hedge fund too that's working with them. And the price of Dogecoin like pumped. That news came out. I think like Elon's really gonna take this stuff seriously. Even what's his name? That big billionaire guy.
Mark Cuban, who got rug pulled.
Talked about Dogecoin too, saying it's like the most efficient currency.
Oh my goodness! Like they need to learn about Solana. Like the problem with Doge is
they're just doing it for the hype.
Yeah, they do it for the hype.
Yeah, they're doing it for
because the common people, dude. I had so many people like normies message me, hey, should I buy Doge? Should I buy SafeMoon? I've been telling them for years to buy freaking Bitcoin.
But Leon, like I've noticed, like even like some of the big Tesla cult guys, like AJ Alternative Jones, he's like one of the largest like Tesla guys on Twitter. He's buying Dogecoin. Like he just believes whatever Elon is, and Like I personally, if you were to choose between Solana or Dogecoin in terms of like mass market adoption, I think it would be Dogecoin, right? It's like a dog. It's memeable. It's funny.
Dude, they would have to. You would have to no, dude. It would not work. It would not work. Once if it got to the size of Bitcoin, like it would just break. Like you would need to redesign everything in Dogecoin, and not only that, but like you got to stop the 10 million coins a day inflation, right?
Yeah. And apparently, like, there's 30. I think it's like 30 addresses hold like 16 billion Doge.
Yeah, yeah. It's like 0.001% owns most of the Doge.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, did you see how salty the creator of Doge got?
Yeah, he did. He sold all of his stuff, I think.
Yeah. I was like, oh man, dude. Oh man, I feel your pain, dude.
Dogecoin millionaire dude, that guy killed it.
Well,
he went all in like February.
Yeah, he killed it, but he's a terrible. He's got to learn how to trade, dude. Because he wrote it down from $1. Oh wait, not $1. He wrote it down from like 60 cents all the way to 20. I'm like, dude, you could have tripled your Dogecoin holdings if you just knew some basic TA.
Yeah, he went from 3 million down to 800,000. It's pretty.
Hey, let's look this. Okay, we're gonna go solid.
So what's the floor on the llamas right now, like in USD?
The floor's on. Well, we don't know yet, right?
It's not really defined yet. So the gravestones from Gen 1 are selling for like maybe like a third of a Solana, but like those are all gravestones, right? When we go into the ones that are gonna drop maybe tomorrow or the day after, it really depends on the rarity of the llama. So right now, the developer said they will buy back any llama, whatever rarity it is, for 4 Solanas per llama.
Dude,
That's how much you had to pay to buy the llamas in the first place.
I had a Gen 1.
Ones ever like get? Are they gonna come back? Or are they gonna always be these gravestones?
So we don't. So that's the thing, right? They released. That's the whole theory thing that I was telling you about earlier. So they released this guy named Tuco the Assassin who killed all of Gen 1, and pretty much my theory is that the official Solana llama Twitter, they said that your dead llamas may come back to life, but Tuco is gonna be the main key card for this, pretty much. So my theory is a zombie llama that's dead is gonna come back, and if you have a Tuco and he kills a zombie llama, you have a randomized chance to keep that zombie llama.
Interesting.
And that logically made sense to me. That's why I kind of went with it. But it was kind of interesting speculating it because I heard other people's stories, but nobody logically like came close to mine in my opinion. So.
And then will these zombie llamas be like good?
Yeah.
We don't know that, right? This is just a theory at the end of the day. So.
Yeah, it depends on rarity.
Yeah.
I mean, they could be ghosts still, right? We could still get out ghost llama.
So if they bring back come back as zombies, like what's the total supply? Like, because typically it's like 8,000 to 10,000. I think.
So it's
10,000.
So it's 10,000 llamas hard, and they were really strict about it to the point where they burned all the old 10K and they recreated the 10K, right? So it seems like
the 10K are not like an additional 10,000. They're in the same.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna do that until Gen 3. But even then, I think something is gonna happen where they're gonna accommodate for either old ones or something like that. But that's another theory, right? If they mint a Gen 3, does that mean your Gen 2 dies, or does that mean your Gen 2 stays alive?
I know with Gen 3, your Gen 2 stays alive. The question is, when this llama comes back to life, if it comes back to life, hopefully, team, it comes back to life. Maybe one of your other llamas dies.
Possibly.
In the battle.
I think they should increase the supply, because then that just brings down the value.
Yeah, that's not fun the market.
Well, a lot of people also thought they shouldn't have reminted, but now they've reminted, so.
That's true.
Oh,
we don't know what they're gonna do. These guys are pretty radical, so it's gonna be interesting.
Hello.
Hey, okay, let's take one question, guys, because my friends want to do some League of Legends. So, what's up? Question?
Why don't they do what the apes did and just restart it?
No, that'd be terrible. That'd be terrible. I'm glad they stuck it out how they did it.
Well, why is that? Then you said the apes, it was much better for them.
No, the drama was much better for them. So having the community hyped up and angry and toxic and sharing stuff and tweeting about it and all that and that, it generated more hype for the freaking project. So yeah, it wasn't wasn't a smooth process for all of us, right? But in the end, we're gonna get good prices. By the way, last thing, Doggo, I just remembered I had a Gen 1 llama still. I sold it for 15 today. I forgot about that.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, I sold him for 15. It was a
It
Gen
could
1.
be that maybe he didn't update, because I heard that everybody in the beginning died, but maybe yours just didn't update. 'Cause
Yeah.
I have a Gen 2 llama whose stats didn't update yet.
Yeah, I think it did update because, man, they were just some weird stuff because they sent me a robot and they sent me a zombie, but then they killed him later, or they went away.
Yeah, I remember that. You were getting sent
I had them.
random
Yeah.
fucking llamas. Somebody was just sending you shit.
All right, guys, I'm going to end this stream on YouTube. You guys can hang out on Discord, but check out dumbmoney.tv. My podcast is Brave Money, so you can look that up on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.